For those of you that have been active in the AI space recently, you have probably been shocked by Moonshot AI's new 2.8 trillion parameter model, Kimi K3, which just released, I believe, 2 days ago. And just taking a look at the benchmarks, Fable 5 is clearly still the winner here on most of these, but Kimi K3 is not lagging that far behind, and in fact, it sometimes beats Fable 5, like on this benchmark here, the artificial analysis long context reasoning, and several of the coding benchmarks as well, although it still kind of lags behind, again, as I said. I do wish to do a video sometime in the future comparing these two models on coding. But when you compare this model to Opus 4.8, the numbers do not lie. Kimi K3 blows Opus 4.8 out of the water on a lot of these benchmarks. And again, Opus 4.8 is not that old. And just taking a look at some of these here, Opus 4.8 is the fourth column here. You know, it doesn't come close at all. I mean, I think that this is a big turning point for closed source AI and proprietary models, because OpenAI and Anthropic are likely looking at this saying, we need to get our act together and we need to, keep blowing these models out of the water, because this is getting scary close for them. And especially what's been happening in recent times with NVIDIA pulling out of equity deals with them. They're kind of in jeopardy right now. And this new Moonshot AI model is just salt to the wound for them. I mean, it's not looking too good for OpenAI and Anthropic. They have to find different ways, but I digress. I mean, this model just is crazy good. And again, I wish to test it sometime when my computer's working. Just another source here, the Kimi blog. We're looking at the, especially the coding and the agentic tasks. Kimi K3 ranks pretty high, if not first, among all of these models here. So, I think we're getting into a new kind of age where the open models are getting at or surpassing the closed source models. It's kind of narrowing the gap. Especially these newer Chinese models, I think they're great. And, despite the legal complaints with the US government, I think developers should be using these. And OpenAI and Anthropic they're definitely watching this. They're watching these developments of these new Chinese open source models. And they're going to have to figure out a way to, keep their lead, because this is getting too close for comfort for them. And I believe that if this keeps happening, if these open weight labs keep releasing models that are just as capable, or if not more capable, than the closed source labs, then developers are going to likely switch over to these open weight models such as Kimi K3 here, and that's going to be bad in revenue for the proprietary models and proprietary labs. And of course, developers tend to like open source and open weight models more if they tend to do better. So I don't know. I mean, this probably marks a big turning point in the AI world, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching on another episode with Tech with Peter.